Hello Bladers. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Basic necessities you need in your car in case IT breaks down and you cannot find help. Number 1. Jumpstart kick wires. This is known as booster cables or jump leads, are a pair of insulated wires of sufficient capacity with alligator clips at each end to interconnect the disabled equipment/vehicle. Number 2. Hydraulic bottle jack. This is used to lift cars, maybe if you get a flat tire or any broken car problems. It simply signifies that the liquid inside a container is incompressible, that results in similar pressure within a container at each point. Number 3. Tool set. Of course, you should always be prepared with having a set of car tools readily available, as you do not know when you will need it. Each tool has a specific purpose for the machines of your car, so best to always have something to rely on when things go south. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center. It's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe and one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.